Here at Restoring Health, we've been using pulsed electromagnetic field therapy for about 9 years. And I started out using very low intensity devices and we're getting phenomenal results. But the real game changer is when we came across the Zimmer emFieldPro. So that has a maximum of 30,000 Gauss, which in terms of intensity has completely revolutionized our treatment. What we do is very hands-on work. So we think of the advanced massage therapy that we do. Our slogan is where high tech meets the human touch. Apart from the way in which the emField is set up in the standardized programs to really support joint healing, so we would have people coming in with any joint problems, and it vastly and really quickly reduces their pain through doing things like increased blood flow, decreased inflammation. I won't go into the science of how it works, but rather the testimonies that we've had. The one thing that I find phenomenal, and I've not been able to be in this business for many, over 35 years, not been able to find an accurate way of doing this, but it allows me to see where there is a lack of muscle engagement. So, for example, 9 times out of 10, when people come into our clinic with low back pain, we find that the gluteals on the same side are not engaging. So with the application of the emField, we can see that. We can look at bilateral strength and muscle engagement, and not only be made aware of it, but actually use the device in order to increase and to, I always say to people, it's like kick-starting them. So we jumpstart them, and then when they do their exercises, they then build strength in that muscle. So once we've been able to get the muscle to engage, what we look at is then teaching that muscle how to work together with the others in the myofascial chain. And I think that so many people have come to me saying, Deborah, I'm doing exercises by my physio or by my osteopath, and the problem seems to be getting worse. And I found that where there isn't muscle engagement, obviously the muscles that should be stabilizing a particular movement are ending up being the activators, and that is what is causing the pain, because you start to get lots of muscle imbalances. So not only on back pain, but if you extrapolate that to anything like shoulder injuries or rotator cuff injuries, we can quickly see what the problem areas are, identify it, and then treat it specifically. So a massive thank you to Zimmer for the incredible technology that they have developed, because I've not seen any other PEMF device that has this level of intensity, which means that the therapeutic intensity within the joint or into the body is significant to make a real change.